Well, I'm Dell, and previously this yard refuse, some of it was hanging up in the trunks of the trees, and I decided to clean it up, and so I've been cutting up the larger items here with this bow saw. Ideally, when you do this, you should have it clamped down, but makes life a lot easier. It's one way to do it. It's another. No. Another way to do it is to clamp it. I think this hammer's big enough. Guess it is. There. Used bigger hammers when I was doing it, and I had it clamped down when I was doing it as well, so both those things help. And the smaller pieces, I just used a lopper. Like that. So we've got, what have we got? 3 bags. So previously this was laying around the yard.
A lot of it was like you put in the trees too.
Yeah, a lot of it was up in the tree.
And this is what you got left so far out of your pile.
I previously had a big pile along the back there, about a chest high on me all the way across, and about maybe 3 feet deep or something. So that took a while to clean that up, so I'm just doing this a bit at a time, trying to clean up the mess. Get the idea. And then you get the littler pieces, put them in the bag, and then you can probably mulch this up right here in a second.
How do you think it went?
I don't think it was expeditiously done.
Do you think you can drop these things off at school, like right before class, just throw it away?
This wood? Are you kidding me?
Wow. Well, thanks for watching. Today this video is dedicated to Dale. I taught him how to use his iPhone, and then he moved to Arizona, and then we just never really saw him again.
Oh, I see. This box here you're talking about.
Yeah. Kind of pull it towards you as you wiggle. Kind of grab it inwards more. Instead of the edge, kind of grab. Yeah. There you go. Overdo it, yeah.